Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. So there's this stuff we've been doing. What we do is we don't show our trade testimonies, right? Because sometimes people ask, Sammy, you don't post when you lose. I'm going to show you all that today, right? So is it possible we make losses? Yeah, but the point is, let your gains be greater than your loss. So assuming you're trading, and out of 100 trades you lose just 3. That's good news. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So here's my trading account. As you can see, this is minus 46. That means this account is in loss. But what is it really minus 46? Now let's check our P&L. What that means is profit and loss analysis. So let's check that out. Let's see. It's opening. So look at it's written. So you can see this is a live account. It's opening. Futures account profit and loss details. Now, by just looking at the graph alone, this just shows we've been in profit, right? Okay. Of course, this has a number of days it shows. So yep. So let's go. So these are more details. Profit and loss analysis. So total profit is $273. Total loss is profit and loss 273. That's what we made. Winning days 5. Of course, this is a new month, right? Winning days 5, losing days 0. Now, reason why it's still 0 is because that one I just showed you that's in minus. It has not sold off. It's still in trade, and I'm going to come out of it in profit. Yeah, definitely. Average profit $54, right? So of course, that's why, because we're in a new month. So cumulative profits 273, 216, 170. Come on, check the other video. The other video had just did analysis for a whole month, right? So well, for this reason, I'll be giving some people opportunity. If you want to learn how to trade, yeah, you heard me. If you want to learn how to trade and you're sincere with yourself, post in the comments of this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, post in the comments and tell us why you want to start making money with your mobile phone, why you want to start trading. And what we're going to do is we're going to register you. I'm going to train you for free and give you $100 capital to start trading. All you need to do is post in the comments why you want to start trading, right? Why you want to start making money, what you're going to use it for, right? And how you would love to get started. So you do that, and then you retweet or share this video or this article if you're reading this from our website. So if you're reading from the website, register on the website, place a comment. Make sure you put the comments in the website. Of course, people on the website will have more attraction, will get my attention more because I spend most of my time there. But if you're on Twitter, just don't bother. Just do the same thing. We'll pick one person at random to get the $100 capital, and of course retweet and share this video, right? And tag 4 persons, and then while you're retweet it with the hashtag Bitcoin light blocks. Bitcoin hashtag light blocks, and then reason why you need the $100 and why you would love to get started as soon as possible. All right, guys. So just in case you might be wondering, okay, what trade have you made recently? This is it right here. So just as you can see, we're actively trading, and of course this is one of our accounts, one of our smallest accounts. So that's on the 5th. I think that's this is 5th, so 5th, 4th, and this is $21, $35, $42, $22. That's well over $100. Well over $100 just with my mobile phone. So if I'm talking with you and you're boring, I can just take up my phone and start trading. So guys, this is a live. This is how to make passive income. If you want to learn, you don't have capital, put in the comment section, tell us why you need to start trading, right? And of course, share and also tag 3 persons. All right, so see you guys